This is me. I'm burning up, and I'm melting. I'm drowning, yet dying of thirst. Sometimes I struggle to breathe. I'm crying floods of tears, and I am not alone. We must act globally to deal with the changing climate. The poorest members of my family are the most vulnerable to my changes. Over 1 billion people who live in me have no electricity. Once they have energy in their homes and in their communities, they can lift themselves out of poverty. They can build better schools, hospitals, and run businesses. All this makes them less vulnerable to my changing climate. But not all forms of energy are good for me or for them. That's why the IKEA Foundation is helping families and communities get their energy from renewable resources. Regardless of the global challenges, energy gives families power, and clean energy gives them a future.